So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This is just a 3x3. Okay. Let's do notation first. The right side, left, up, down, back. So you can't see that. Back. Then this is right inverted, left inverted, left. Face inverted, down inverted, up inverted, back inverted. I think that's everything. Okay. And then here. Okay. Then there's to solve it. You can first let's mix it up. Mixing. Sing my own music in this part. Okay, and let's just say I gotta raise the camera a little bit. Okay, now it's all mixed up. Let's just turn it a few more times. Make sure that you know I didn't put any certain way. Okay, first you can just first get all the color. Pick a side. I'm gonna do the orange side. First, what I do is I get all the colors on that side so I know where they are. Okay. Don't worry about the cross or nothing. Just get them all on the top. Okay. Then all you have to do is just line them up. Okay. If you want to get it right there, these two, you want to get it right there. Just move them out of the way of that. Bring it down, move it over, fix the orange, and you have these little T things right there. Okay, that stuff's all intuitive. There's no algorithms or anything. Then for this next one, find the color that lines up. Okay, like that does not have red in it. In other words, so green and yellow. So put that above right there. Oop, bump the camera. Put that above right there. So you get the full T instead of just this partial. And then what you want to do is up inverted. This is for the left side. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up inverted, or up, face, up inverted, and face inverted. Now you have put that piece that was right here down here. Okay. And find a different one. Blue and white first way. Goes right there. That's the T. Okay, then the algorithm is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face, up inverted, or up, that was up, okay, and then face, then you have that one. Okay, let's go for blue, yellow, line it up, make the T, then go, that was the right, this is the left again, so you gotta go up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, face, then up inverted, and then face inverted, and then the last one. Okay, so up inverted, left inverted, up, left, then up and up, face, up, inverted, and fix them. Then you got all of them done. Then you just need this top. Okay, to do that, go face, up, right, up, right, face. Then you should get a line if you had the dot like I did. Okay, but if you didn't, if you had the L, you'll now have the cross and you can fast forward. Now if you have the line, do that. Then you have the backwards L. And you just do the same thing again. You can rewind the video. Okay. Then either you'll get 1 in a corner, 2, or none. Okay, if you got 2, put it so blank one's in this bottom one. If you have 1, just pretend this one's not there. If you had 1 like that one, put it in that bottom corner. If you have none, it doesn't matter where you got it. Okay? Or if you got 2 up here, put the blank ones right there. Then go... what do you gotta do? Okay. Go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, 180, back down. Then if you had 2, you'll now have none. Okay? Then right, up, right inverted, up, right, up 180. Okay? Then if you had 2, you'll now have, then you had 0, now you have 1. If you have 1, you probably are done by now. Okay? Then, yeah, you'd be done, so you can fast forward through the video. Okay? So, then you do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, 180, and back down. Then you look around for 2 that are done like these 2, unlike these 2, you see? These corners are in the right spot, unlike these 2, okay? So if you have 2 of them, put them in the back. If you have none of them, it doesn't matter where you start. Okay, then do right inverted, face, right inverted, back, 180, right, face inverted, to move it up like that, then right inverted, back 180, and then right 180. Now all your things are done, and if you have 1, you should have 1 completed side. If you don't have any completed sides, it doesn't matter where you start again, but if you have 1, it has to be in your right hand. Okay, or your left. I don't know if you could do it in your left. Whatever. Okay, do left 180, up, inverted, back, face, inverted, then left 180, then make these all like that if you want the algorithms. I'm not saying them because I don't want to look right now. Okay, so you just want to make it like that so you get a bar. Then on the top, you want this bar to line up with that red one. Then do 180. Now they move in a counterclockwise position. Okay, just like this. This one goes here. This one goes here. Now when you do it again, it will solve. If you had 1, it won't. Or you could be done already. If you're done already, stop watching. Okay, so you do left 180, up, back. That's actually up inverted, then back inverted, then up, then wait. Okay, let me start over. Messed up. Okay, 180, then up, inverted, then back, So this comes up here, this goes down there, so that comes up there, then do 180, back down, and like that. Now you are done, and good job. Pat yourself on the back. I know it's quicker than any other one because it's easier to follow, because you don't have to skip through different videos and stuff and search around the internet for them. But it will work every time. So please rate, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.